Welcome back, Nikhil here. Project 1825. You know how we do these things now. So today I want to talk about something which I've just learned is about working memory. The reason I'm starting to learn about working memory is now I've found out that actually I've the way I've been learning in the past has been inefficient. I find that out now. And I'm trying to understand what we can do better to learn better. So in that effect, I've started to research on how to learn, and as part of that, saw a good podcast about it, and I was like, wow, okay, working memory sounds something which is very interesting. So it's basically the system where we actually store information temporarily so that it can be processed later. Uh, it's a big neural connection, I think. So if you're brain neurobiology and things like that, you'd be uh, please look into it about the neuroscience. I'm not a neuroscientist or anything. I'm just, as you know, a journey person. I'm on this journey. So just to give you an example of what working memory does, is the thing which you use to store like information which you just need. So like grocery shopping list. Maybe if it's too long, you start to forget. But if it's like five or six, you start to keep in track. So there's a short term, it's got a limited capacity, unlike our long term memory, which has thousands and thousands of random facts, like the capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar, like that comes out like that for me. So there's a different kind of memories. So there's not just one way we can learn, and each one is different. So just want to try a puzzle with you guys. So just to understand how working memory works. So this is something in the working memory which is called the phonological similarity effect. Now it's technical, but it's not as technical as you think. So let's just do this example. I'll read out 8 letters and try to not write them down. Just listen. And then once I say go, write it down and see how many you get. So the first 8 letters, here we go. B, K, X, Y, R, N, Q, L. Go. So the answer is B, K, X, Y, R, N, Q, L. How many did you get? Just mark it out. So 4 out of 8. So you see 3 or 4, whatever. Now the second puzzle is B, C, P, T, V, E, D, G. Go. Try to write them down in order. Now, so we done. So now the point I'm trying to make is, as I found, the second one is more harder because it has so many phonemes, which just mixes things up in our working memory. So the earlier one you could have got like 4 or 5, but the second one is so confusing you cannot get it in the right way. Is it a V? Is it a G? Is it a D? Is it a V? We get confused. So that's what is called the phonological similarity effect, and that hinders our working memory. So just want to share it because it's just fresh in my working memory. That's why I want to bring it to you. So hope that is useful. Please research into working memory and, like me, just see how that helps and hope it helps. And I will catch you tomorrow. Safe.